It was nice having you come around and I beat you. No, listen what I'm saying. You are my beating stick now. You don't have the qualification of the smoke that I have over here right now.
Go ahead.
Listen what I'm saying, Ali. Listen. No. Listen. Listen.
No, go.
No. Listen.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared.
If you want to run, run, bro. Go ahead.
I'm running. I'm gonna run. But listen. Small baby! You are small. Baby, Ali, you are small, baby! I got you next time. Thank you. Oh, no, make me feel it. We almost reached 20 million likes. Come on, my team. Lovely dove. 16 million. Come on, my team. Let's go. Let's get the 20 million and done this. 200 people passed through my views. 200,000 people passed through this fucking live. 200 people passed through the live. 1 million. Come on, my team. Let's go. We are going to feed 20 million. Everybody, we are going to feed 20 million. Let's go. Our playground this man. 20 million. We are going to feed 20 million likes. 3 more million less. Come on, my team. Jaja God. Oh God, may I get hot in this? Hold on, my team. And it's 3 hour crate boy tonight. We don't beat Ali running, we are ready. When we just come on TikTok, here we are telling me say Ali are king. Alex, I tell me say Ali are king. I'm there to nobody like nobody. Look for Ali. And then we show you sometime in life you can't give up. You have to work towards your dream. When we just meet Ali, Ali was a pit bull. Now Ali is like a poodle to me.
Mongrel.
Not telling you. Come on, my team, let's go. Fully Bumbuckler X. Big up everybody who contribute to my live. Big up everybody who come over here and support. Come on, my team. 2.5 are we gone. Big up water to my father. That is it. That is it. May I tell you now. Need some X-Gang merch. How much in I ranking? We just wanted 20 million and I'm gone. We 14 I ranking. 18 million. We just wanted 20 million and I'm gone. I swear. People appreciate everybody over here tonight. I swear. One coffee, big up your damn self. Mika, big up your damn self. Monique, Quenga, big up your damn self. Lovely Dog, big up your damn self. Appreciate everyone I want to big up my top top. My people them we are top up a scream. Big up my people them we are share live. 4 fucking K share. 4 fucking K share. Let's go, my team. Let's go. Let's go, my team. We need one. Let's go, my team. We need 1.5 million likes right now. We just call it Big bomb buckler sitting just go on. 200,000 people pass through live. Everybody will contribute to live. I really appreciate on the people. So you don't even know. You don't even know. You don't even know. The dog. What? The dog. What do you mean? I love no dog. I love no dog. I love him. 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 Eh? Eh? Yeah, man. Too much me play camera got 14 I rank him. The toppers them go on with themselves tonight. Money, big up your damn self. People we need 1 million like I reach 20 million people. And that's it more from the night at 20 million. 20 million, so me scream record, me just take my picture. Me just take my picture, people. Swear. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Rub on my cream, drink a cup of white Hennessy. Because, bro, I'm showing you something on I never bum buckler, no. Oh, my father. In a space from 8:30 to now, me get 10,000 new follower, bro. The fuck? Oh, bro! In the space from like 8:30 till now, bro. Me get 10,000 new follower, bro. Clap myself down on my team. Big up everybody who share me live. Big up everybody who contribute to me live, dog. Big up everybody who come over here, dog, and support me. Big up my true day one supporters, them, bro. And Brit, let me tell you fucking this, Brit. Big up your fucking self, mama. Brit, big up yourself. You hear that? As a legend to a female who have come up in this, big up yourself, Brit. You hear? Big up yourself. Real talk. Big up yourself. Big up your damn self. Almost reach a 20 million. But big up the toppers them already. She never there. I no joke, man. Big up Brit, man. Big up everybody over here same way. We just crush them. You have to give her something. Mama, go on, man. You're gonna something different now. You're gonna something weird different right now. 20 million. Screenshot this. Screenshot this to me there. Screenshot this to me there. Screenshot what I'm forward here. Screenshot this to me there. Screenshot this to me there. 20 million! Everybody big up on the damn self. I really appreciate when you hear that. Yeah. Every time. Really appreciate when the dog. I swear. I want to send that celebrity. Big up your damn self, celebrity. Don't cure. Big up your damn self. Appreciate each and everybody over here. So people don't want to live go back because the live I go back, and before I go back more any live I go take a shower. After live after my shower I can come back and reason with with normal people them and regulate the thing. But for now throat kind of hurt me, I'm not gonna lie. Because my day short, so the throat they hurt me. So I want something to consume real quick. You understand? So I appreciate everybody over here. I'm gonna be it after beard, I can deal with it, but my throat really hurt me, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie. Because the excitement already go on with over here since night, but my throat really hurt me. So I'm gonna go bed, drink something, or easy about myself. But I'm gonna come back with them in the night and just reason. No excitement and them bag of something then. You understand? Play knock it. Alright then. Everybody attempt to play knock it. So then I guess I have to play it. The box right turn on myself. Me there upon YouTube I type in play knock it. I knock him on.